Have you ever felt like winter just drains the life out of you? The shorter days, the colder nights, and let's be honest, the temptation to hibernate under a blanket with a bag of chips? Yeah, if that sounds familiar, you are not alone. But here's the good news. Today, we're talking about how you can flip the script on winter and make it your most vibrant season yet. It all starts with the food on your plate. Stick around because I'm sharing simple, nourishing meal ideas that'll keep you energized and glowing all season long. Welcome to the Sparkling Life Coach Podcast. Hey, Sparkling One, you're listening to the Sparkling Life Coach Podcast, the show where we're all about helping you create a life that shimmers with energy, joy, vitality, and holistic health and wellness. I'm your host, Dee Diaz, a certified integrative nutrition health coach and essential oil specialist. If you're new here, welcome. I'm thrilled to have you join our sparkling community. And to my returning listeners, welcome back to season 2. There's so much to learn about nutrition, holistic health and wellness, and essential oils. So I'll occasionally be recording mini episodes, what I'm calling a SparkleCast, to just drop a bite-sized piece of wellness wisdom. Today's SparkleCast is about nutrition for a vibrant winter and how warm, energizing meals can boost your health. Now, let me ask you something. Are you ready to transform your winter meals into delicious, energizing dishes? I'm going to share how you can stay energized, healthy, and vibrant during the winter months with warm, nutrient-packed meals. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, maintain your energy levels, or simply enjoy the flavors of winter as we fuel our body with the right foods, we have something for everyone. Get ready to discover practical tips for a radiant winter season. Winter's a beautiful time of year, but it's also when our bodies need extra support. Think about it. We're dealing with less sunlight, colder temperatures, and flu season. It's the perfect storm for feeling sluggish and run down. But, and this is a big but, what we eat can make all the difference. Did you know that certain foods can actually boost your energy, keep your immune system strong, and even improve your mood? Yes, that's the power of nutrition. Let me share a quick story. It used to be that during the winter, I was constantly tired and catching every bug that went around. I mean, seriously, if you were sick and you just looked at me, I'd catch it. On top of that, I'd rely on caffeine and sugary snacks to get through the day. But by 3 p.m., I'd crash hard. Does that sound familiar? Yeah, it wasn't until I changed my supplementation and started focusing on warm, nutrient dense meals that everything changed. Suddenly, I had more energy, my skin was glowing, and I actually look forward to winter. Well, sorta, kinda. But that's the kind of transformation I want for you too. All right, so let's talk specifics. The key to vibrant winter nutrition is simple. Focus on foods that warm you from the inside out, are packed with nutrients, and are easy to prepare. So, I'm going to give you my top 6 tips. And if you stay on until the end, I've got a little gift for you. I'll tell you how you can download my mini recipe book where I'll include the recipes I talk about in this episode. So, for tip number 1, the first thing we want to do is embrace seasonal produce. Did you know that nature gives us exactly what we need for each season? In winter, that means root vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and parsnips. These are rich in beta carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A, which is essential for a strong immune system. Plus, they're perfect for roasting or adding to soups and stews. So, check out the ebook for a recipe for roasted winter vegetables. Tip number 2 is to not skip the healthy fats. Our body craves healthy fats in the winter, and for good reason. They're a fantastic source of sustained energy and help you absorb fat soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Think nuts, seeds, coconut oil, and my personal favorite, avocados. So, check out the recipe in the ebook for a creamy butternut squash soup. And it's optional in the recipe, but I love throwing in diced avocado before serving. The third tip is to spice it up. Spices like cinnamon, ginger, and turmeric aren't just for flavor, they're also incredible for your health. Ginger, for instance, can improve circulation and digestion, while turmeric is a powerhouse anti inflammatory. So, I'm including my recipe for a golden milk latte that you can drink any time of day, but I especially like drinking this as I'm winding down in the evening. And if you have the certified pure, tested grade essential oils of turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and ginger, I'm also including the recipe so you can actually use the essential oils as a substitute. The fourth tip is to focus on hydration. Hydration is definitely the key, even in winter. I know it's harder to drink water when it's cold outside, right? But staying hydrated is non negotiable. If plain water doesn't excite you, try herbal teas or warm lemon water. Bonus points if you add a slice of fresh ginger, and triple bonus points if you use your certified pure, tested grade lemon and ginger essential oils instead. I've made sure to include a recipe for ginger lemon tea in the ebook.
Hey Sparkle Squad, are you loving the Sparkling Life Coach podcast? Has the podcast ever inspired you, made you smile, or brought a little sparkle to your day? If so, we'd love your support. To keep this passion project shining, you can help by subscribing, sharing with a friend, or, if you're able, clicking the link in the show notes to become a patron. Every little bit helps us spread positivity, holistic wellness, and vitality far and wide. By supporting the podcast, you're not just fueling our efforts, you're joining our mission to uplift, empower, and inspire others to live their best lives. Your generosity creates a ripple effect, helping us sprinkle a little sparkle on everyone who listens. Thank you for being an essential part of this vibrant community.
Tip number 5 is to batch cook to save time. Because life be lifing, right? Life gets so busy, especially around the winter season. That's why I'm a huge fan of batch cooking. You can make a big pot of chili, stew, or curry on, say, Sunday, and you've got meals for the week. So check out the ebook for my recipe for a hearty lentil stew. For tip number 6, I want to encourage supplementation. If you've been listening to the podcast, you know how important whole food supplementation is. I'm talking about whole food supplements, not the synthetic brands that don't benefit you because your body doesn't know what to do with those synthetics. And my new favorite is VMG Plus, which will provide you with everyday essentials for foundational wellness. It's an all in one daily nutritional powder drink that features over 90 high quality ingredients, including whole food vitamins, minerals, fruits, vegetables, digestive enzymes, probiotics, certified pure tested grade essential oils, and other beneficial nutrients. And the best part is that it tastes amazing. No, for real. Now, if you already have whole food vitamins, great. But If you'd like to try this amazing VMG Plus supplement, check the link in the show notes. Okay, so now let's break your plate down with some numbers. Experts recommend that around 50% of your plate should be filled with vegetables, even in the winter. The reason for that is that they're your primary source of vitamins and minerals. Then you want to aim for 25% whole grains. So think quinoa, couscous, brown rice, or farro. This is going to help with sustained energy. The remaining 25%, you're going to want that to be a high quality protein like fish or lean meats. For those who are vegetarian or vegan, that could be beans or lentils. And here's a fun fact. Studies show that eating a balanced meal with these proportions can boost your energy levels by up to 30%. Imagine how much more you could accomplish in a day if you felt 30% more energized. That would be incredible, right? All right, Sparkling One, that's a wrap on today's SparkleCast episode. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to fuel your body with the warmth and nutrition it craves this winter. Remember, small changes add up. Start with one new recipe or one new ingredient and build from there. And don't forget to take your whole food supplements every day. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend. Text it over to them today. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a chance to sparkle. And if you try any of the tips or recipes I mentioned, let me know. And feel free to share your favorite winter meals. You can connect with me by leaving an audio message on fanlist.com or via email at podcast@sparklinglifecoach.com. I'd love to hear how you're nourishing your vibrant winter. Until next time, stay warm, stay nourished, sparkle on, and don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle everywhere you go. Ciao.
Are you tired of trying to make healthy changes only to end up back where you started? It's frustrating, isn't it? Here's the truth. You're not the problem. You just haven't had the right system. Introducing the 4-week WIN program, your step-by-step plan to build lasting habits and take control of your health. Start each day with our 2-minute health boost, a powerful combination of supplements and routines that fuel your body and mind. By the end of 4 weeks, you'll feel more energized, focused, and in control. Are you ready to win the morning, win the day, win your life? Visit the link in the show notes to get started on the 4-week WIN program today.